Hello, my name is Natalia Souza Neves Hoffman. This is my assignment 2 for Weather API Android Studio. So this is my app. I just run it. So here is the search bar with the search button. When I press here, we are gonna search for the city and it's gonna show the options down here. And when we press, we go to the weather page. So let's say Toronto. This is the option that I want. And then it goes to this page, which is going to show the city, the region, the country, the temperature in Celsius, temperature in Fahrenheit, feels like in Celsius, feels like in Fahrenheit, the condition right now, the humidity, the wind, and the direction of the wind, also the icon that is related to the condition, and also the background color related to the condition of the place right now. If we press back, we search for something somewhere that it's sunny, you see the icon changes, the background changes, also the temperature, the condition, and everything. Now I'm gonna explain a little bit of my code. So first I will go to the main activity. This is just gonna load the XML and load the fragment. This is a fragment manager. So what's gonna do is it's gonna load this. This part is for the fragment. This is the fragment that it's gonna load. I'll show here. So this part is the fragment, and this is the fragment that it's gonna go in here when the app loads. And also, this is a recycler view that this is gonna load here. So all of this is explained except this one. So let's go to the weather model. This is gonna show all the data coming from it, and also we are gonna retrieve all this data from the API and another Java class. So this is just gonna get all the data and getters and setters. There is the API, which is gonna store the URL value for the API. This is calling a callback for the API, and we are gonna get the city, and from the city we are gonna get the weather. And this is the city adapter. So it's gonna get the recycler view, and it's gonna display the cities on here. Here. This is the purpose of the city adapter. And city search fragment. This is also from this part. It's gonna call the API and it's gonna retrieve the information that it's gonna show the city information here. So the recycler view is the main important thing on this Java, and also because it's a fragment. And city search here, the main activity was explained, the weather dashboard. So this is gonna retrieve, this is gonna retrieve all the IDs from the weather dashboard, and it's gonna call the API and put all the information from the API that it's gonna be called on this, and we are gonna store the value on those string or image view or the model, and we are gonna set the text for the according to the API, and also set the background. And this is basically the coding behind calling the API and getting all the values from it and adding to a list. This is the part that we are gonna call the JSON and store the value, name, region, country, and all the weather information. And this is the weather dashboard that I didn't explain. So this is self-explanatory. This is just a dashboard that it's gonna show the back button to the previous menu. This is the weather icon that it's gonna be called from the API, and it's gonna store here. And then the city, all of those with ID, city, region, country, all of those with ID to be called from the API and change the information here afterwards. Thank you for your time.